Yeah, by myself.
It looks good, man. I know you still got work to do, like you said, but
yeah, it's got some finishing work needs done,
sir.
but yeah, I did it all by myself. Yeah.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Tired. I think Lowe's like the door.
That's all I have to say about that.
Make it.
So did you build this?
Yeah, I built it all. Yeah, I built it all myself.
What all's in here for the video?
I've got a Singer 390 alternator under there. Just one single D7500 in the back. Sundown NS1. Bought it from Amp Lab. It was actually the Clipo version. And then two Fi SP4 18s. And just the dual ones. These are temporary.
Did you build this?
Yeah, I built all this. Yeah, by myself.
It looks good, man. I know you still got work to do, like you said, but
yeah, it's got some finishing work needs done,
sir.
but yeah, I did it all by myself. Yeah. Dropping down to about like 12.5, you know.
Yep. They're having a funeral right now too, so you have to be kind of quiet.
Oh wow.
Did you know that? That's
No, I didn't even know.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah, that's...
Nah, you're good, dude. Quick demo. They got to see some flex for a video. Yeah, they have at the Sundown show. They have a funeral right next door, so like once or twice, some shows they'll have like a quiet time. Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna check out your amp and your alternator as well.
Cool,
real quick.
cool,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, sure.
Originally, I'm from Michigan, so like you need that. I can handle 32
Yeah. What size alternator?
That's a
390.
390.
390. Oh wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
You just need a little more battery reserve, you think?
Yeah, I just need, I was looking at lithium, honestly. I want to go just lithium. I ended up getting the D7500 before I got the alternator, and now I kind of want to just go lithium, you know?
Yeah.
Size. But yeah.
What is this wired to?
What's this?
The
That's
amp.
all, that's all power and grounds.
I know, but what is it wired to, wire-wise? 1 ohm? half
Oh,
ohm?
no, yeah, it's at 1, yeah.
1? Okay.
Yeah, it's probably rising up pretty high, too. So
Okay.
I also want to probably move to 2 separate
Yeah.
as well. But for now.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you watching. What was your name?
Jamie.
Jamie. Jacob.
Yeah.
All
Hey,
right.
nice to meet you, man.
You too. Yeah, we do videos every day, so.
Yeah, I watch your videos all the time.
Oh,
You,
okay.
EXO, and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
you
man.
guys,
Appreciate it.
It's kind of that's what inspired this build, really,
It is?
over the
Yeah.
years. I mean,
Okay.
I started doing this stuff probably when I was like 15, you know.
Yes, sir.
It's got like a big
Okay.
truck with a winch on the front.
Awesome.
Go make some money after work.
Yeah, get this finishing work done, man. It'll look all right, I think.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I like it. What vehicle is this?
It's a 06 Grand Prix.
06 Grand Prix. All right. Yeah.
This paint.
Is there any way you can play one more note with doors and windows up?
Actually, this window isn't working right now.
That's fine. Does this go up at all, or is it stuck?
What's that?
The seat?
Oh, yeah. You gotta, like, get it in the right spot. You gotta kind of move it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. All right.
Kind of squeeze it all in here, you know?
Yeah, I hear you. Work in progress. Yeah, what it is there's a funeral next door, so you have to have at least the windows up if you're playing.
Gotcha.
Some of the guys that have tweeters outside, it's screaming and they're doing it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Solid, dude.
Yeah, dude.
What kind of wood is this?
That's MDF. That's just 3/4 inch MDF.
Wow.
And a whole bunch of PL and.
I see you built into the back.
Yeah. Actually, this box was originally a lot smaller, and
Okay.
it didn't sound all that great. So I tried to kind of fix it halfway through, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for calling 1-800-RUSTED Hotline, making better beats for winter season. fuck with me if you wanna cool. These expensive, these is bad bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the sport, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable, yeah. I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money. And I'm fucking anybody that likes what I get. Faded with some bitches from the west side, east coast, like a weapon north side, never wasting. I woke up pretty crazy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly like a man. There's tattoos on my neck. I just can't stop crying. I told him I'm as big as Stan, yeah. Got all these songs in my DM, yeah I do. Holy shit, I got a kid. Fuck y'all niggas, 'cause I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
Appreciate it, man. That sounds pretty good for what it is.
Yeah, man.
Woo.
Yeah. Get them amps separated a little bit. And
Oh yeah. Thanks for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.